Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all a barn door handle. This is a 12-inch barn door handle, heavy duty, made by the brand Kinglev. They did send me this to review on my channel, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. Go ahead, click on the link below. It'll take you right to Amazon. If you have a barn door that you're looking for a handle to use too, this will be a perfect solution for you. So go ahead, check that link out. You'll see it right below the video. Now we'll go ahead and we'll unbox it and see what we get. Here's how it comes packaged to you with just a barcode up here showing you it says sliding barn door handle, made in China. Kinglev's the brand. It's new. Packaging is nothing special, but you're not going to keep it anyways. So let's just go ahead and open it up. There it is. Really cool. Again, this is 12 inches. And it is heavy duty, I can tell. But it looks really neat. Really a cool piece of hardware for your door. Just to really add that extra little pop to it. And then it gives you all the included hardware. So we have the back bracket. We have an Allen wrench and the two bolts to use. Everything again is heavy duty. So really cool. You can see right there. There's the two. There's the Allen wrench. Fits right in there nice and snug. You can see right here where they can go right through the threads. We'll look at the bracket itself. Really, again, heavy duty. This is big boy stuff right here. And what I like, it's nice on the back side. You can use this to grab too to open the door. So obviously in the barn door, it's going to slide across the wall. So this will go on the outside for you to grab. But what about the inside? Well, it's flush with the plate and it's a little indented. So you can put that on as well, and then you can grip the door from the inside. So we'll try to visualize that again. So you'll put this through here and it'll go right through there and tighten up depending on how thick the door is. So really neat, really cool hardware. I'm gonna go grab some stuff. I'm just gonna mount this to a piece of wood so you guys can kind of see the whole process through to know what to do for your door. Alright guys, back here with all the supplies that you should need. I got a nice little set of drill bits. I'm going to use the 1/4 inch drill bit. Hopefully that's going to be the right size. Maybe a smidge small, so I might have to expand it a little bit just to make sure those can get in. You're going to need a cordless drill to drill some holes. And last but not least, a pen. I'd also recommend a tape measure if you're actually doing it on the door so you can line it up exactly to the height that you want. I'm just going to use this piece of scrap wood to show you it mounted. So I'm just going to trace it out and that'll be good enough for this. But you might want to have a tape measure to really make sure you're going to get it in the right spot the first time, because you don't want to mess that up obviously on your nice barn door. So first thing I'm going to do is just going to set this on here and trace it out really quick. Get the spot for the holes. Got it traced. Now I'm gonna go ahead, put the drill bit in, drill the hole, and we'll see where we're at. All right, so I'm back here. I was able to get the holes drilled. I had to use a 5/16 drill bit. It worked perfectly. Just make sure you might have to round out the holes a little bit more just to give it the proper distance apart to line these up. Then you're gonna go ahead and do what I just did. You're gonna place the bolt through with the bracket and then attach it to the handle. Now we'll do the other side. So you just want to be careful not to cross thread or strip anything. And since I'm not using a full door, it's a lot easier just to manhandle everything like this. You want to be really precise in your measurements. There's your finished product. Looks really cool, really good. Just mounts in there. What I learned too through the process, you can actually adjust these out. So if you're using a really thin board like this, I've left it off to show you. See how there's wiggle room? Those bolts only go so far in. So you can actually twist these back to extend this to cover any sort of gap in distance. So that can be nice and snug. So it's really cool, really a great design. Those go flush. Nice handle here too to use for a door. Really cool, really heavy duty, easy to hold on to. Easy to grip. Then you can see the back too. Really cool, really great product. Awesome barn door. Again, it's really nice that they designed it so you can rotate these in or out as well to help cover any sort of distance and thickness depending on your board and the size of your door. So really a great handle, really cool, seems really durable, heavy duty. Looks pretty sweet if you ask me, if you can just see it set up there. So really great product. Links in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, ask me any questions you may have, and love to chat with you guys. Also join my newsletter. It's free and you'll see some great stuff throughout the year. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video.